If you want to install Photoshop plugins, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to download the plugin that you want to use. If you are using Adobe Exchange, just open Photoshop, go to Window, and then find Extensions on Exchange, and then it will take you straight to Adobe's plugin library. Now from there, you're just going to click Free or Buy, and it'll automatically sync to Photoshop. If you downloaded a plugin from a third-party site, make sure it's a trusted source. You will usually get a zip file. You're just going to have to unzip that folder before you do anything else. Next, you're going to move to that unzipped plugin folder to your Photoshop plugins directory. On Windows, you can find it under Program Files /Adobe Photoshop /plugins. On Mac, you can just find it from Applications and then head over to Adobe Photoshop and then Plugins. You can also choose a different folder if you prefer, but remember where you put it. If prompted, enter your computer's admin password, and that's normal. And that's it. That is how you can install Photoshop plugins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.